door knocker, what are you doing?
Get me out of here! I have not been this uncomfortable since I was stuck in the elevator with the singing Trump.
All right.
Now, where is that Simon feller?
Oh, Edna, he's right there.
Oh, my. He's a hit with the ladies in their 80s back at the home, you know.
But Edna, what about the age difference? You're so old, he could give you a heart attack.
Oh, don't worry, Darci. Simon knows mouth to mouth.
Ew, TMI.
All I wanted to do was tell him how he makes me feel.
Well, why don't you sing him a song?
What a great idea. Simon, my hunka Englishman. This one's for you. Looking out on the morning rain, I used to feel so uninspired. And when I knew I had to face another day, Lord, it made me feel so tired. Before the day I met you, life was so unkind, but you're the key to my peace of mind. You make me feel, you make me feel, you make me feel like a natural woman. You know what, Darci? Take me down to Simon. What? Oh, baby, what you done to me? You make me feel so good inside. And I just wanna be close to you. You make me feel so alive. You make me feel, you make me feel, you make me feel like a natural woman.
Another amazing character. Simon, you are bright red. Simon. How is that serenade making you feel, Mr. Cowell? Simon.
Oh, you're coming to me.
I said, how's that serenade
Right.
making you feel?
Darci. And what's your friend again?
Edna.
Okay, Edna, I've got a bit of a crush on you. Darci, you are in big trouble. But, that aside, this was brilliant.
Yeah.
And let me tell you why it was brilliant. Because you're funny and you've got a wicked sense of humor, and I am imagining in my head now a kind of a Sesame Street type of show for you. I think you are heading, when I say the big time, this is big, this is where you're heading, young lady.
No, B, look at that smile on that face. What are you thinking?
You know what, I mean, the first moment you walked onto this stage, I was just mesmerized. You're self-taught, you're 12 years old. I hit that golden buzzer and I said to myself, she could easily win this show, 100%. 100%. You've just got what it takes. And in Armenian, we would say, hold on.
What?
Surmemkez. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Breaking out the Armenian every week.
Have to. She's incredible.
Okay, Heidi.
My gosh, you really are a class act. And you know what? You're bringing ventriloquism to the next level. Who knew that you can make